Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I'm going to make sweet potato sweet. That's it. Come on now. Now wash the sweet potato and peel it properly. I told you, now only it's not coming how to peel also. That is a big problem when these people also know that, oh, today we are going to shoot, then little bit we want to trouble. Okay, that's it. Yeah, just take out the chilka skin properly. If you don't want also, no problem, you can eat like that only. That is also nice. Sometimes I'll try like that only. My husband, he won't eat, no, so I will take the chilka, but this is really healthy one, at least something. I'm not telling 200% healthy, better, okay, that I can show. Because sweet potato and milk and sugar only, I think little bit bad. Otherwise it's very very nice nice dish. I like it, this one. Okay, now we'll put it in the, I'll cut properly like this only. You have to cut and wash it thick pieces, you know like this, and put it in the water and wash it and put in the milk. I'll show you that one there. Come. Yeah, now you have to take the thick pan, whatever vessel, that will be little bit thick. Now boil the half liter milk 10 to 15 minutes. At least 15 minutes you have to boil. After that, you have to add the sweet potato, wash it and put it in this. If you want with the skin also, it doesn't matter. I love to put it in the skin. My husband used to scream, why you putting with the skin also? It's okay, yeah. Now, yeah, we have to keep it for the boil. Okay, very very tasty, yeah, this is. See, yeah, now half boiled. Then now only I'm going to add the sugar, because why, it will go inside the potato, sweet potato, so the taste will be very nice. So now mix it well. Again, let's boil properly. Very very easy, yeah. You can close your eyes and you can make the sweet potato sweet. Okay, if you are adding the more milk, then sweet potato payasam it will become. If less, like halwa type, two in one. Now medium flame, you can keep it nicely. Let's boil. See, yeah, this is the consistency. You want liquid type, then you can add little bit milk, otherwise not necessary. But I like to have like this only. And you have to make it thick like rabdi. Okay, just see. I told you, Naya, very very easy. However you want, you can make this one. Especially some guest is coming, no, they don't want to eat any junk food like that, then you can feed this one. This is very nice. See the consistency. Just I'll add the little ghee, then I'll take it out. See the brownish color. If you want, I told very clearly that you want to add little milk, you can add it, otherwise not necessary. You want to eat like this means you can eat like this only. Now I'm adding little ghee in this, very less only. The aroma and flavor will be very very nice. That's it, yeah. You mix it well, and your sweet is ready. When you're cooking, you have to keep it in the medium flame. Now you're going to finish, that times you have to be high flame. That's it. Okay. Switch off the gas. Now see, you can keep it in the fridge also. Yeah, now summer, no, very tasty. Okay, now see. Okay. Finish, yeah. Now you people can also try this one. Very easy potato sweet, and enjoy this moment also. That's it. Now I'm going to taste. Very hot. Too good, very tasty. Now you people can also try healthy sweet. That's it, yeah. Come on.